Today we're going to be continuing our reinforcement learning AI, learning how to train the Dino Runner game. It looks like I broke it because it's not working anymore. We got to fix it real quick. Let's do that, you guys. All right, let's see here. Where is that at? I don't know. What did we do? Get status. What did we change? What changed? Okay. So by index.js, we fix. I need the index file with the JavaScript. Here we go. We broke something. All right, let's see if we can figure this out. We'll see here. Where did we put it? Okay, so I need to say set start jump, and that we don't have it there. No, so it's going to be, is it this? It's right here. Okay, so I think we need to go back to probably around this one. So I should revert to the commit here, right? So let's try this. Let's try it. Yo, random memes. Good to see you. Welcome on in. Let's see, what are we doing? We're trying to get our game, so we need to get the dinosaur to auto jump. So we broke it, right? So we broke it, so I need to get the dinosaur to auto jump. Right now it's not auto jumping anymore. So let's see if we can figure it out. What are you doing of the code of this game? We're trying to do automatic, like automatic AI. So the AI can play the game automatically. Git, checkout, index.js. No, JS, here we go. Okay, let's try that. All right, reload. Is it back? Oh no! Well, we got rid of the background. That's sad. But it jumps now. Hey, it's auto jumping now. There it goes. Oh, the background's gone. What are you trying to do? We're trying to build an AI that learns how to play the game. And we have a naive version, which is actually working pretty well. Data export. So data that you see here at the bottom of the screen, that is export data from the game state. The state of the game. We're exporting that data with something called PubNub. The data is being exported via PubNub. Publish event right here, so you can see all the game state. We're getting the current time step, the speed, obstacles of the game, whether the game is over, is the dinosaur jumping, is the dinosaur ducking, is there a jump velocity, right? So we're exporting this data from the game. Yo, how's it going there? Bile Bin, welcome on in. Yo, cool Sam, hey, good to see ya. So this data is being exported, yep, as you can see here, although I see a very large number there, above 10. What is that? Why is that above 10 right there? That seems a little too big. Let me see this. All right, so 1, 2, 3, see, and then it goes to 10. So what is this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This number right here is too big. That number is too big. We can't have it at 10. 10 is too big. It's too big. We got to fix that. So this is where we need to scale it up here. We got to scale this. This is where we got to scale it. I do believe it's probably because I'm saying too big here. So we're saying that's too big. So let's see if we can divide that and put that as a different number. All right, let's see. Let's reload the screen so we see. Are we good now? Yeah, we are. That's way better. Yo, Bunny. Hey, Bunny loves storage. Yo, Bunny, storage. Thank you very much. My gratitude's to you for the flow state. Hey, you guys, we're making our way. You're helping me a lot here. You guys are wonderful, thank you. What did the chicken say when she crossed the road? Why, you bully me. Wait, what does that mean? I don't get it. I missed the joke, sir. I missed the joke. What type of code is this? It's JavaScript and Python. This is JavaScript and Python. Someone sent you another one? Oh, all right, good to hear it. Yes. Have you ever used Scratch? I've not in a productive way. Not productively. Scratch is kind of like a learning tutorial language, right? Yo, Vale, Venezuela. All right. Thank you for subscribing. You joined the right channel for software engineering. Good to have you here. It's a meme, Danny Mast. I missed the meme, sir. I missed the meme. I missed it. I've missed it. Because make games are very easy over there and Scratch got it. Okay. Understood. Here we go. Let's get the next song going. How can we use JavaScript and Python at the same time? We're using something called message passing. We've got a runtime running JavaScript up here at the top of the screen. You can see my cursor sort of flying around. This is the top of the screen right here. The Dino Runner game here is JavaScript, you guys. That's JavaScript. Oh, you can see my desktop. There's nothing there to see. You didn't see nothing. And then below over here, we're receiving the data in Python. So that way we can capture that data through PubNub. So that it's through PubNub. Look up. So what I'd love to do is get the DQ in going now. I want to get the DQ in happening. So now that we fixed the game, let me close everything real quick. Wait, hold on. Undo, read. Yes, save that. All right. Close that. Git add.